Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for Standard 2, Subject Science. Today's thought: education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. So when you are getting educated, you are living your life, you are just spending the moments of your life successfully. You are utilizing the valuable moments of your life if you are spending the time for your education, if you are learning something new every day while watching the videos. The tips for today, the instructions to be followed by everyone: stay fit, get about 8 hours of sleep each night. Do you sleep for 8 hours? Right? If you go to sleep at 10 o'clock, you should get up at 6 o'clock. So minimum of 8 hours sleep you should get. And do some form of exercise every day. Every day you have to do something like running, walking, stretching, playing. Something you should do every day for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Stay healthy. Practice good hygiene by keeping yourself clean and germ free. Stay healthy, maintain cleanliness, keep your body neat and clean, also your surroundings neat and clean. Stay energized, eat nutritious meals and snacks daily. Include food from these groups. Which food you will eat every day? Like dairy food, grains, protein, vegetables and fruits. Do not eat the stale food or the junk food. Last but not the least, stay happy. Make good choices every day for a happy, healthy you. Always be happy, never be sad. In our today's video, we shall continue with chapter 12, our new chapter, the water cycle. That is the new chapter that we have just begun. We shall continue and you will learn the forms of water with examples. What are you going to learn? Forms of water with some examples, and then we will solve some very interesting worksheets as we do every day. After understanding the concept, we shall move ahead towards worksheet. So let us continue with the water cycle. So in our previous video of lesson number 12, as I said, the water cycle, the lesson we had started, warm-up exercise also we had just started. In that, we had understood, we had seen the images, the different forms of water. We had seen ice, water, then water over here, the steam. We had understood that some places it is raining and some places it is snowfall. And most importantly, we had understood three things, that is solid, liquid and gas. The most important thing we had understood. Then we had solved the exercises, circle the solids, also circle the liquids, then circle the gases. We had solved this exercise in the previous video. Now, look at these pictures. We have even solved this exercise. Look at the picture and write the name, state the matter, like it is solid, this is gas, this is liquid. We had solved this worksheet also. Then we had reached over here, and today we shall continue with this page. This is very important activity. This activity is to be performed by you, means you have to write the answers of this activity and you should understand the activity. Writing answers is not so much important, but understanding the activity is very important. So let us understand the activity. What is this? Look at the picture and choose the correct state of matter. So everywhere the three options are given common: solid, liquid, gas. Everywhere you see that three options are given, common three options are given: solid, liquid and gas. These three options are given. We have to select the correct state of matter looking at each of the pictures. See, these are the rings over here. This is the bowl, cup. So all these things, are they solid, liquid or are they gas? Does it change the shape? No, and it is not even in the gaseous form. It is solid. So here the answer is solid. These are solid things. They will maintain the shape as it is. See, milk. Here it is written MILK, milk, which is put in this glass, this white color milk. So the milk takes the shape of the container. You put the milk in the glass, it will take the shape of glass. You put the milk in the cup, it will take the shape of the cup. So milk is liquid. What it is? Answer is liquid. It is in the liquid form. Then see the steam coming out of this hot jug. The steam coming out. That steam, when you burn something, like when you heat water, when you heat a liquid, the steam that comes out, it is in the gaseous form. What is it? In the gaseous form. GAS, gas. The steam is in gaseous form. Then over here again, see when you hit the spray, when you use that deodorant, or you even use that perfume or body spray, that spray, when you just press the button, the steam that comes out, it is in the gaseous form. It is gas. That is the third option, gas. So this is solid, this is liquid, gas, and here also it is gaseous form. Now let us look at the next exercise. Same, but the images are different. Now here the names are not written. You have to identify yourself. What is it? See, the container is given, the lid is closed, the container is filled with the liquid. Is it solid, liquid, or gas? Answer is liquid. This container is filled with liquid. The container is filled with liquid. The next we have the bag over here. This bag. Is it solid, liquid, or gas? It will not change the shape, and it is not a liquid. It is not even in the gaseous form. So it is solid. The first one. The bag falls in the category of solid things. Next we can see over here the clouds that you see in the sky. Are they in the solid form? No, it will change the shape again and again. Are they solid, liquid, or gas? What it is? It is in the gaseous form. The clouds will change the shape in the sky. Then here, what do we have inside this container? At home, we have this container. We use this container for burning the gas. What is it? It is gas. What does it have inside? It has gas inside it. But this container which you can see, that is solid. But inside it, what is there? Gas is given inside it. So it is gas. The next we have states of matter. The new exercise we have. In our recipe, we can see different ingredients. Let's check the state of matter of each one. So let us check the things that we are using daily for cooking. The things that we use in our everyday life. Are they solid, liquid, or gas? See over here. SLICED, BREAD. Sliced bread. There are slices of bread. Are they solid, liquid, or gas? We have to write the states of matter. Means, is it solid, liquid, or gas? That we have to write. So this bread, it is solid. Let's write the answer. SOLID. The bread is in solid form. See the sliced bread. Sliced it is, solid. Water. Which form it is? Solid, liquid, or gas? Water is in liquid form. LIQUID. Liquid. Water is in liquid form. As we drink water, we should know water is in liquid form. Then you can see over here the water vapor which is coming out of the hot tea. See the water vapor coming out of the hot tea solid, liquid or gas? What is the form? It is in the gaseous form, gas. Gas. Water vapor is in gaseous form, so we write gas over here. Then see over here, what do you see? The chunks of butter. We eat butter, right? We put butter in lots of vegetables. We apply butter on the bread and then we eat. So the butter which is hard, you have to cut the butter, the pieces of the butter you have to cut. That hard butter, in which form it is? That butter is in solid form. So our answer is solid. This butter is in solid form. See the pieces of the butter, you can make the slice, you can cut the butter as it is in the solid form. So bread is solid, water is liquid, water vapor is gas, butter is solid. Then what about the tea bag? You might have seen the tea bag while we go on the train. We get the tea bag, the dip tea bag, and then we can drink the tea. So that tea bag is also solid. What is it? The tea bag is solid as it will not change the shape. It is solid. Then ice, ice, very cold. When you just take out the blocks of ice in your hand, when you take it from the freezer, you take out the blocks of ice. It is very hard. So it is in which form? It is in the solid form. The blocks of ice are in the solid form. When you keep it outside, it will melt. Then it will change it into water, means it will become liquid afterwards. But right now it is in solid form. When you just take it out, it is always in the solid form, the blocks of ice. So after solving this exercise, let's see the next one. Is it solid, liquid or gas? Look at the things, look at the images which are given and then identify whether the images which are given are solid, liquid or gas. See, I have just zoomed the images so that you can see that images clearly. See the first one, like we can see a box is there with lot of holes. So this box, rectangular box, is it solid, liquid or gas? So that box is solid, SOLID. It is a solid box. So we write solid over here. Then the juice, the orange juice you can see, very yummy. Is it solid, liquid or gas? The juice is liquid, LIQUID. Liquid, LIQUID, liquid. Then the mobile phone, yes, you are watching the video in the mobile phone, right? You know how to use mobile phone, you know how to make a call, you know how to start YouTube. So this is solid. The mobile phone will not change the shape on its own. So that is a solid thing, SOLID, solid. So this is solid box, this is liquid juice, this is solid mobile phone. Then see the next three images. This is cloud. This is a balloon. And this over here you can see the soap or a type of sanitizer. So here you can see the clouds. Clouds are in the gaseous form. So GAS. Gas, they are in the gaseous form. Then the balloon you can see. So this balloon is in the gaseous form. Again we write the same spelling over here, GAS, gas. Then the third one over here you can see the hand soap. It is in the liquid form. As you can see, the container contains the liquid. So there we write liquid. What is the spelling? LIQUID, liquid. That is the hand wash. As you can see, you might be having at your homes. The sanitizer that we use also is in the liquid form. Now the next three images, after that, see the fruit which is given over here. The red color fruit you can identify as apple. Is it in the solid, liquid or in the gaseous form? Which is it? So this is in the solid form. So for that we write solid, SOLID, solid. Just do write the answer along with me. Solid form, that is the apple that we saw over here. The next image you can see after the apple, that is the air. You can see the wind blowing at the great speed, that is also in the gaseous form. As we cannot see the air, same way this is not visible. You can see the strong, the fierce wind which is blowing outside, that is in the gaseous form. As it cannot be solid, it can neither be liquid. The next you can see the glass over here which contains the liquid of red color. As we drink the juice, that is a kind of juice that you can see in the glass over here. Which form it is? It is in the liquid form. So the same spelling we write LIQUID, liquid form. So that's it for the images that we have seen over here. See the 9 images that we have seen. The first 3, and these are the next 3 and the last 3 images over here. After that, one more exercise on solid, liquid and gas. Draw a line containing the picture on the left to the matching phase of the matter on the right hand side. So this is like match the following. You have to match the columns, column A with column B. Over here you can see the liquid. This is the steam, the gaseous form, and the third one you can see the snowman over here. Now see the images on the right hand side, column B. You can see the man selling the balloon, the eyes over here, and the water drops. So now let's match the following. The first one that you can see the water flowing. So we have to match water with the water on the right hand side. That is the third image, the water drops which are seen over here, and this is the waterfall. The second, the steam that comes out from the hot bowl. When you have heated something, the steam comes out, and the same thing which we can see over here, the balloons. When you leave the balloons, it will fly up high in the air. Even they are filled up with the gases, right? The next is a snowman over here. So here we can see the snow, that is ice. So snowman is to be matched with ice. The next exercise is same. The match you have to just write over here. You have to tick mark whether it is solid, liquid or gas. Let us zoom it a little and try to identify. So first one is air in a balloon. Air in a balloon, what is it? Solid, liquid or gas? So the air in the balloon is in the gaseous form, so it is gas. The next image you can see over here, bread, the image of the bread. Now is it in solid, liquid or in gaseous form? So the bread that we eat, it is in the solid form, as you cannot just change the shape of the object, it is in the solid form. The next you can see the clouds. What forms are they? The clouds that you see in the sky are in the gaseous form, right? The clouds are in the gaseous form. The next image is of water. What form is it? Solid, liquid or gas? Now we have identified this before, that water and all other things which we can drink are in the liquid form. So our option is the second option, liquid. Do write the questions and the answers that we are discussing along with me. First you will write water, and then against it you will write the answer liquid. Then after that we have water in a fish tank. See, this is a fish tank. You might have seen fish tank, or many of you might be having in your homes the fish tank. Is it solid, liquid or gas? But the water in the fish tank, we are talking about the water. Here also we marked water as liquid. So water in the fish tank is of course in the liquid form. So this is the question, and here is the answer that we have marked. Water in the fish tank is in the liquid form. The next we see over here, right hand side, ice cube. Ice cube. So this ice cube is in which form? This is the question that has been repeated in the video. It is in the solid form. So we mark the answer solid. Ice cube is in the solid form. The next we have over here lava, that is molten rock. lava that comes out of the earth. In which form it is? The lava is in the liquid form. Which form it is? Lava is in the liquid form. See, it is very dangerous and it is also very hot. After that, we see the image of melted metal. Melted. See, the metal is heated, then it is melted. So, just like the ice, when ice melts, it becomes water. So, when you melt something, it becomes in the liquid form. So, this melted metal is in the liquid form. After that, we have orange juice. Yes, we all like orange juice, right? Orange juice is in which form? Number 9. Orange juice, is it solid, liquid or gas? So, orange juice is in the liquid form. liquid, liquid. Then snow, which form it is? Is it solid, liquid or gas? So, snow is in the form of solid. Over here, the snow is stuck and it is in the solid form. See, it is very hard. Then, the next, you can see the images over here. Are the following solid, liquid or gas? You have to mark whether the things are solid, liquid or gas. The lake water. The water in the lake, is it solid, liquid or gas? So, the lake water is in the liquid form. So, we mark liquid. Clouds. The clouds that we see in the sky are in the gaseous form. Then iceberg. See the iceberg that you see, it is solid. The blocks of the ice are in the solid form. So, ice blocks are solid. After that, the next is jug. The jug that you see over here, you cannot change the shape of that because the shape is fixed. The shape won't change of this jug. So, it is in the solid form. So, the first option you have to mark solid. Then the next one, soap. The soap that we use for bathing. Early morning when you take your bath, we need the soap for bathing. Is it in the form of solid, liquid or is it gas? It is in the form of solid. So here we complete this exercise of solid, liquid and gas. Now let us continue with our today's topic that we have to learn new. So here is the topic that we had just discussed in the introduction that I had told you about the chapter, the water cycle. In that we are going to learn the 3 forms of water, as we had discussed in yesterday's video also. So, what is water over here? So, what is water? Do write the answer over here. The clear liquid that falls as rain and in rivers, seas and lakes. See the water you can see over here. That is the liquid that falls as rain. When there is rainfall, you see the water droplets coming down from the sky. So, that is also the form of water. And when there is a rainfall, which things get filled up with the water? So, that is rivers, seas and lakes. These things get filled up with water. As you can see over here, this is the image of water. Sometimes we see the water that overflows the rivers, seas or lakes. The water comes out and that time we can see that there is a storm. So, this is the liquid that falls as rain and is in the rivers, lakes and seas. We can find water in all these places and we need water for our survival. How many forms of water are there? So, note down this point in your rough book as you are writing. There are 3 forms of water. They are solid, that is ice, liquid, that is itself water form, and gas, that is in the form of water vapor. So, the things which I have underlined are utmost important and you should write those things. The image which you can see, image gives the answer for all these things which are written above. See, this is ice, the ice that you take out from the freezer, that is the freezed water. When you put the water inside the freezer for a few hours, it freezes and it becomes as hard as a rock. So, it is ice, that is in the form of solid. It is also a form of water. Then the liquid that you can see in the glass, that is water. We know that we drink the glass of water. We drink many glasses of water throughout the day. So, the liquid, that is water form. And the next, that is gaseous form. See, when you heat something, like you put some water in the container and then you heat that container, what comes out of it is water vapor. It is in the gaseous form, so that is water vapor. When you are heating a vessel, the steam that comes out is in the form of water vapor. So water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. These are the three forms of water, and this is the answer to the question given above. After that, see over here the the two images you can see over here: LEMONADE, lemon that is in the liquid form. You might have already tasted it. It is like limu sharbat that we say, that is lemon day. It is in the liquid form that we drink, especially during the summer season, that you know it is in the form of liquid which is put in the glass and we need it. It gives us a lot of energy. What form it is? It is in the liquid form. Then what do we make it with? Consider this thing. We make lemon day with the help of lemons. But are the lemons in the liquid form? No, they are in the solid form. See the shape of the lemon, it is solid, it is fixed. Means you can cut it, you can just squeeze it and you can take out the liquid and you can just make a lemon day. But when you make a lemon day, the form changes from solid to liquid. So that is the thing which you have to consider over here. So this is the example which shows that when you can how you can change the form from solid to liquid. Squeezing the lemon and making it a lemon day will change the form from solid to liquid. Same way here you can see the process how it takes place. See, lemon day takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. It has no shape of its own. This is the bowl in which we put lemon day, and this is the glass, this is the jug. So these are the three different images. If you put lemon day in this bowl, it will take the shape of bowl. If you put it in the glass, it will take the shape of this glass. And if you put it in this jug, it will take the shape of that jug. It has no shape of its own. So what do we learn about liquids? Liquids have no shape of their own. So today, in our today's video, we understood the three forms of water, and we also understood that liquid has no shape of its own. Moreover, we also learned what is water. So in our next video, we shall continue with the same topic and the same chapter. Thank you for watching my video and have a nice day.